know how to make your dreams come true. 1. Positive self-image. Perceive yourself positively and instill confidence in yourself. Be confident and believe in your abilities and possibilities. 2. Goal setting and plan making. Set your dream specifically and make a plan to achieve it. Set short-term and long-term goals. And keep moving forward by adjusting your daily actions toward your goals. 3. Overcoming attitude even when faced with difficulties. Do not give up on your dreams and have the attitude of overcoming them. Challenge yourself to succeed by overcoming failures and obstacles. 4. Positive thinking. Change negative thoughts into positive ones. Find positive aspects in any situation and emphasize them. 5. Continuous effort and dedication. We continue to strive and develop through consistent effort and dedication. 6. Self-development and learning. Continue to improve your abilities through self-development. Learn new things, and grow. 7. Receiving positive influence from those around you. Receive positive influence from those around you. And through this, increase your confidence and receive influence. 8. Accept failure and errors. Rather than thinking of failures and mistakes negatively, see them as an opportunity to grow and find something positive in the negative. 9. Actively solve problems. When a problem occurs, do not avoid it, but take the attitude of actively solving it and overcoming it. You can check your own abilities by solving problems. 10. Constant passion. Have a constant passion for your dream, and an attitude of challenging your dream without giving up.